Hi, it's Miss Ann from Amazement Square. I wanted to let you know about our Think and Tink kits that we have through our Amazement Square Anywhere program. These are STEM-based fun activities in 4 different categories that you can do at home. Our first kit that I wanted to tell you about is our Art and Creativity Kit. With this kit, there are several different projects. One is a way for you to make your very own chalk that after it's hardened, you can take it out and either save it for a nice day and write on the sidewalk outside, or you can even make our projects inside chalkboard that you can write messages inside. The other project is this string art kit. You can design your own picture and then put the nails in and string the string to make a really nice little thing that you can hang up. I chose to make a heart for mine. But let's see what's inside the kit. Every one of our STEM kits come with, of course, our Amazement Square instruction booklet. Inside the booklet, you'll find everything that you need, telling you which materials to use for each project and step-by-step instructions of how to do each project. And each kit also includes one of our famous Scorpy cartoons at the end from our comic book series for Scorpy. Let's see what else we've got. There's the clipboard and the contact paper that you'll need to turn it into a chalkboard. The template to design your picture and the wooden plaque where you will transfer your picture. The nails that you'll need to put into the wood, and a variety of different colors of string that you can choose depending on what your design is. You might make it all these colors or just one like I did. And then we have all of the materials that you need to make 3 different colors of chalk. And of course, the stir sticks that you'll need to mix it up, and 3 cups that you can use as molds like I did. Of course, you don't have to use the cups. You can use anything that you want to mold it in. We just put these in for an example that you can use if you want to. So if you're interested in one of our Think and Tink kits, click on the link below and go to the Amazement Square webpage and you'll see where you can order one. And we also have 3 different ways that we can get them to you. One way, you can pick them up yourself right here at the museum for no charge at all, or for a small fee, we can have it mailed to you, or we can actually personally deliver it to you within a 10-mile radius of the museum. I really hope you give it a chance and take a look at what we've got. Check the website out and see if you'd be interested in buying one of them.